This is our American-made Pilots Flask. We have them in olive drab and black. I usually have the black ones, so you can set them out in the sun and the heat with a bit more efficiency if you need to give yourself a nice washcloth bath or hobo bath. Comes with matching lid with a seal in it. You can carry just about any alcohol or chemical or just good old water in it. It's HDPE, which is one of my favorite plastics since I'm a plastics geek. High density polyethylene. No taste, BPA free, just great stuff. Quite a bit tougher than a store-bought water bottle of similar volume. 6.5 inches long, less than 4 1/4 wide or across, and about 2 inches wide at its widest point. Fits right into my mini kit container. And you're ready to go. The 100% American made US Pilots Flask, my old standby and favorite. You can fill it up with water, you can freeze it to use as an ice pack, and of course it's one of my favorite weapons to bring to the airport. Don't tell those fat asses in TSA I said that. Alright? Thanks for watching.